3, 2, 1.
So we have the main light positioned at 45-degree angle
3, 2, 1.
on the right hand side of the model, and the fill light on the left hand side.
3, 2, 1.
And you know, there's a fill on the joint line, there's a fin on the chin, there's a fill on the eyes.
3, 2,
And so you
1.
see her and the result. And Stefano is shooting at f11 to 100 ISO, 1/25th of a second with the Canon 5D Mark IV, 70 millimeters as lens. I mean, it's a zoom lens, 24 to 72.8, and he's shooting f11. The strobes are both light by from Allengram, sorry, and both of them, just two lights. So, you know, you keep it simple on one side, but you have a great result on the other. And the light scheme is mine, actually, as Alfredo Benincasa, and I'm training him to be a great photographer. He's already a great photographer, but it's getting better and better. And Francesca, of course, is doing her job as a gorgeous, fantastic model, and Elena has done a fantastic, pretty fantastic job on her makeup. So please stay tuned, because you see, you know, several cool results from this team, and I'm very happy and content about it. So that's all for now. Probably I will also publish this other footage that is, you know, made like with a cell phone, with no gimbal, no anything, no professional cameras, but you know, sometimes the smaller the better, the easier the better. So ciao for now, bye bye, see you later.